When people talk about attorneys in Covington, Louisiana, one name comes up again and again: Michael Bradley. He doesn't call attention to himself. He doesn't need to. His work and his record speak for themselves. Bradley has been practicing law for nearly 2 decades. He started out as a public defender. Today, he runs a respected private practice with offices in Covington and Franklinton. But it's not just the number of years or the size of his firm that make his story interesting. It's how he's approached every part of it. Bradley didn't come from a high-profile background. He worked his way up, quickly but quietly. After graduating from Southern University Law Center, he began his legal career handling criminal defense cases as a public defender. He represented hundreds of clients in those early years. People from every walk of life. He built a reputation for being thorough, calm under pressure, and good with juries. Eventually, he set a record for the highest plea to dismissal ratio in the state. After years in public service, Bradley moved into private practice. He didn't stop doing criminal defense, he doubled down. He added family law, personal injury, and parole work to his list. But the core of his work hasn't changed. His approach is methodical. He reviews case law early in the morning, usually around 5:30 a.m., and hits the ground running. Court appearances start early in Louisiana, and Bradley is often in the courtroom by 7:30. He says structure is the only way to stay sane. Bradley didn't just stop at private clients. He's also worked behind the scenes to improve how Louisiana courts operate. He co-founded and chairs the criminal division of the 22nd Judicial District Bar Association. The goal is simple: make the system more efficient and more fair. That includes everything from better docket management to consistent diversion programs. One area that's close to his heart is parole advocacy. He works with clients navigating the parole process, especially in cases where the rules are unclear or seem unfair. He believes the state needs more consistent guidelines, better legal access for inmates, and programs that focus on re-entry, not just punishment. Over the years, Bradley's work has earned him national and local recognition. He was named one of the top 100 trial attorneys in the United States. He was also voted North Shore's favorite attorney. Still, he doesn't use those awards to market himself. Bradley's clients often come from referrals. People who've seen him in court or sat across from him during a difficult moment. They remember the clear advice, the calm voice, and the results. Law is demanding. Bradley says you can't fake your way through it. But he also knows you can't live in it 24/7. He spends his free time with his wife and their rescue pets, splitting time between Old Covington and Old Arabi. He's also active with local charities like the New Orleans Mission and the Humane Society. That mindset, clear, structured, and intentional, runs through everything he does. In an industry full of noise, Michael Bradley stands out by staying focused. He listens. He prepares. He works. And he does it all with the same purpose he had when he started, helping people navigate a complicated system with clarity and fairness.